Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is about BMS College of Engineering, BMSCE, and I am going to talk about all the KCET and COMEDK fee structure as well as the documents required during reporting. So let's first talk about the KCET or KEA based fees, right? So you can see this is the document dated 1st of August, right? And if you see the admission is under code CET aided 003. So this is the course where the seats are at much lower fees because this is the aided course or the government supported course, right? So if you read the first line item, it says the students admitted under KEA paid 42,866. So once you get admission in this aided course, your fees will be just 42,866. That amount you have to pay to KEA. Then there will be no VTU fees, zero. No tuition fees, zero. Only miscellaneous fees of 13,360 you have to pay extra. Since 42,000 you have already paid to KA, now at the college you have to pay only 13,360, that is shown in the last. Now if you are getting into this aided course with SNQ quota, then you will have to pay only 21,360 at the KA. That means after the round 1 result or round 2 of result or second extended round result, you have to pay SNQ student 21,360. Again, SNQ student don't need to pay anything in VTU or tuition fee. They also have to pay only 13,360 for miscellaneous and the exam fee. If student is SC/ST student, right, at KEA they have to pay only 750 rupees, right, and then 10,600 they have to pay as a VTU fee separately. Tuition fee of 21,506 will be applicable, but they don't need to pay. It will be covered through your scholarship. And miscellaneous fees of 23,360 you have to pay, which is for miscellaneous and exam purpose at once you are in college. So total SC/ST student under this category will have to pay 33,970. And last one is for the SC/ST category student and category 1. Those they have to pay at KEA 21,360. This I am talking with income, SC/ST income more than 2.5 lakhs. And VTU fees will be zero, and tuition fee will be 21,500, but miscellaneous and exam fees will be 13,360. So total amount to be paid of line 4 will be 34,866 rupees. Now let's talk about the second course, which is also through CET, but it is unaided. The code is 048. This is private course, so this will be the higher fees or the regular fees. So if you see the line item 1, if you are a standard student general merit, you will have to pay 1,07,495 at the KEA counselling. That is after the round 1 or round 2 or round 3. VTU fees is not applicable because that is covered. Tuition fees will be paid, which will be zero. Miscellaneous and exam fee will be 3,360. Total net you have to pay is 3,360 because you have already paid 1,07,495 during KEA counselling. Next is the student admitted under SNQ quota 31,360. They have to pay at KEA. VTU 0, tuition 0, and miscellaneous again 3,360. CET under students with income under 2.5 lakhs, that category 750 at the KEA after counselling of round 1, 2, 3. And VTU fees separately 10,600, tuition fees separately 76,135, but this will be covered through your scholarship. You don't need to pay actually. 22,360 will be miscellaneous and exam fee, which you need to pay. So total you need to pay once you reach college is 33,970. Now the last category with SC/ST income above 2.5 lakhs or category 1 students, fees applicable you have to pay at KEA is 85,989. VTU fees you don't need to pay, zero. Tuition fees to be paid is 21,506. So miscellaneous required is 3,360. So total you have to pay once you are in college is 24,866. So this will as per the detail for the unaided course or the private course. Now, this circular is about the students who are joining through COMEDK, right? So, COMEDK students, as regular, they have to pay 2.81 lakhs during the COMEDK counseling of round 1 or round 2 or round 3. So, this most of the students would have paid already 2.81 lakhs, and about 2.81 lakhs, Karnataka student need to pay VTU fees 10,000, exam fees 3,360. That will total fees will be 13,970. Non-Karnataka students will pay 12,100 as VTU, 3,360 as exam fee, total fee 15,470, and the foreign national NRI students will pay 22,000 as a VTU fees, 3,000 as examination fees, total 25,470. So this will be the fee structure for all the students coming from COMEDK exam. Now let me quickly jump to the documents required. So all the students coming through KEA admission process, they should have the KEA admission order. 4 copies are required. SSLC or 10th class marks card are required for date of birth. Class 12 marks cards are required. Second PUC, study certificate from previous college institute. Total 7 years should be shown, and for rural quota 10 years. These are all required for the KE students. Transfer certificate if you are from outside of PU board. Then if you are claiming any of caste certificate, caste category, SC, ST, OBC, those type of certificate, and income certificate is also required if you are claiming SNQ quota. Migration certificate is required by all students who are coming from non Karnataka region, right, and anywhere from India. And then students allotted special category quota, right, which is rural, Kannada medium, or NCC, sports, defense, and all those categories, they have to provide all those proof in the Annexure A eligibility certificate and Annexure B certificate for residence, right? And the last one you can see, ninth one, is recent photos, 2 passport size photos. After that, you also need to bring copy of Aadhaar card and the other documents which are required. So candidates submit all the above documents for verification along with the 2 set of Xerox copies. So self-attested Xerox copies. You don't need to take any gazetted officer. It's a self-attested Xerox copies. Last line, you see the original marks card will be returned to students only after approval obtained from VTU Belagavi. So immediately you will not get your marks card in hand, but you will have to wait to get the marks card back. So that was for the KCET student. Now I am going to talk about the students who are coming through management quota or COMEDK. So in those students, this will be the documents. What they will be required is basically COMEDK allotment letter, right, which will be provided, and the 4 copies of it with the fees receipt, right, downloaded from the COMEDK portal, right. And then you have SSLC 10th class marks card, 12th class marks card, which are equivalent of 12th standard, study certificate from previous college wherever you studied, right, caste certificate if that is applicable, but that is not applicable for all the students who are coming from North India and general merit category. Only for HKR student, for any purpose it can be required. Transfer certificate is required for all non-PUC students. Migration certificate for all the students who are coming from non-Karnataka region, which can be North Indian, other places. Student allotted through COMEDK under Hyderabad, Karnataka region, they have to produce the HKR certificate, right? That is very important for them. Rank card for any of the CET, COMEDK, and JE. JE is because there will be some management quota student who may not have given KCET and COMEDK. So if you have not given KCET, COMEDK, you have to give the JE rank card. Only for management quota students. Recent passport size 2 photos. And then, again, same thing, 2 set of self-attested copies of all the documents which I mentioned here, and students' original marks card will be returned to students only after the approval obtained from VETU Belagavi. So that's all the documents. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel. Next video I will cover the dates and the hostel fees etc. for this college. Take care and bye.